Can you solve 4 divided by 4 divided by 4 divided by 4 correctly? Most people quickly say, 4 divided by 4 is 1. And again 4 divided by 4 is 1. So 1 divided by 1 gives us 1. But wait, that answer isn't correct. According to the PEMDAS, when we have a chain of divisions we must move from left to right. So step by step, first 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. Now we have 1 divided by 4 divided by 4. Let's handle the next division. 1 divided by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. And again we will just bring down 4 as it is. Here comes the KCF rule. Keep, chain, flip. So we keep the first fraction, change the division to multiplication, and flip the second 4 to become 1 by 4. Now we multiply 1 by 4 times 1 by 4. So the final answer to this problem is 1 by 16. 99% people get this wrong. 7 minus 7 equals 0. And 0 times 6 minus 8 gives us minus 2. Then 0 multiplied by minus 2 looks like it should be 0 again, right? But wait, that's actually not the correct answer. Let's carefully apply the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. We always start with parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication, then division, and finally addition and subtraction. For multiplication and division we move from left to right. And the same goes for addition and subtraction. Now, in this question we first solve the parentheses. 7 minus 7 times. Inside the bracket 6 minus 8 gives us minus 2. Now while we first do this multiplication. Now 7 times minus 2 gives us minus 14. So 7 minus times minus 14 becomes 7 plus 14. And 7 plus 14 equals to 21. Hence the final answer is 21, not 0. Comment if you got it. Subscribe now to IQ Surge and keep your brain getting smarter every day.